What if I told you that TikTok knows things about you, even if you've never opened the app? Today we're going to look at how that happens, why it matters, and what you can do about it. Let's start with the basics. A tracking pixel is a tiny invisible image, literally 1 pixel, that websites hide on their pages. When you visit a site that has one, it quietly sends information about you back to the company that made it. Think of it like a tiny spy camera you can't see. Companies like Google, Meta and TikTok all use them. TikTok encourages businesses to add these pixels to their websites so that they can learn about visitors and show them targeted adverts. Here's where it gets slightly uncomfortable. Journalists working with cybersecurity researchers recently found that TikTok's pixel was collecting some seriously sensitive information. When someone visited a cancer support website and indicated they were a patient, the site sent TikTok their email address, along with that detail. A women's health site shared data when someone looked at fertility tests. A mental health organisation sent data when someone searched for a crisis counsellor. And here's the thing, it doesn't matter whether you have a TikTok account or not. If the website has the pixel, your data gets sent. So how widespread is this? According to the privacy company DuckDuckGo, TikTok now has trackers on about 5% of the world's top websites. That might not sound like much until you compare it. Google has trackers on nearly 72% of top sites and Meta is on about 21%. TikTok's share is growing fast, and when a new advertising network launched in January 2026, experts say that even more websites will start using TikTok's pixel. The tracking empire is expanding. You might be thinking, so what? I've got nothing to hide. But this isn't just about embarrassing adverts. This data can be used to manipulate you, to push products, to influence how you vote, or even to charge you different prices based on what companies know about you. Advertising data has already been linked to civil rights violations and discrimination. And every time a company builds a bigger profile on you, the risks grow, from data breaches to identity theft. The bottom line is, your data is valuable, and right now it's being collected without most people even realizing. The good news is there's some straightforward steps you can take, and they only take about 5 minutes. Step 1. Switch to a more private browser. Chrome has been shown to leak more data than alternatives. Browsers like Brave, DuckDuckGo and Firefox are built with privacy in mind. Safari is a solid choice too. Step 2. If you don't want to switch browsers, install a tracker blocking extension. Options like Privacy Badger, Ghostery, Unblock Origin or DuckDuckGo's extension will block pixels like TikTok's. Step 3. If you do use TikTok, go into the app settings and clear the data it collects through pixels. If you don't have an account, you can still ask TikTok to delete any data it holds about you. These steps will help, but let's be honest, they won't solve everything. Companies also share data behind the scenes, directly from their own servers, in ways that are much harder to block. The real solution? Stronger privacy laws. And that starts with people, including students and teachers, making it clear to lawmakers that privacy matters. This is everyone's issue. So, it's over to you. Let's have a look at these questions and discuss them. What surprised you today? And what are you going to do differently?